original. We've got one cover in here that we're going to try out. So this song is called Faith in Fire. He came along and started the fire. She turned her back on hope and desire. Now she stands alone and watches the water. He fights against the flames. Buildings burn, he turns his back on the world. Chart is a wreck and black is the sky as they dance on the mess that they made. And red is the ground where they lay. Goodbye this time. Goodbye this time. He'll know her hands are letting go. This time she'll know she never could be told. He'll know her hands have let him go. This time she'll know she never could be told. They dance in dark with faith, the sky will move. The grave is wet with tears that fell for you. Don't cry, my love, tomorrow will be here. The sun will rise. It's time to have no fear, no fear, no fear, no fear, no fear, no fear. Dancing on the mess that we made. 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 Yes, guys. This song is called The Order. It's a bit of a moody song. Defenses were down in the darkness between us. Abandon those feelings. You know you can't keep them. Pushed to the floor in this war I created. I tried not to listen, but your mouth dictated. I gave you my reasons. You make me so weary-eyed. You decide we collide. Pushed to my limits. You make me feel different. Perfectly pure. You always were persistent. So full of wonder. Consider this. Now you try. Step aside. To be denied down. To the darkness we go. Claim the unknown. Disregard control. The order we know. The chaos is blown into this world. Gravity blinds me, I can't see your face. Oceans apart with a heart so disgraced. A body so broken, a mind full of better days. It's just a phase, find a way down to the darkness we go. Play the unknown, disregard control. The order we know, the chaos is blown into this world that we call home. Oh, 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 oh. Make me see through, help me undo, break me, gently take me. Make me see through, help me undo, break me, gently take me. Down to the darkness we go, play the unknown, disregard control. The order we know, the chaos is blown into this world that we call home. Fences were dark in the darkness between us. Abandon those feelings you know you can't keep them.
Okay, this is the first time we're going to do a cover for you now. Does anyone know a band called James? Cool. This is their most famous song. We really like the lyrics, so we thought we'd slow it down and try and make it more emotional.
Sing myself to sleep, songs from the darkest hour, secrets that I can't keep inside of the day. Swing from high to deep, extremes of sweet and sour. Hope that God exists, I hope, I pray. Drawn by the undertow, my life is out of control. I believe this wave will bear my weight, so let it flow. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down next to me. Sit down, 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 in sympathy. I'm relieved to hear that you've been to some far out places. It's hard to carry on when you feel all alone. The wisdom that I seek has been found in the strangest places. It feels a lot like love that I feel for you. Now I swung back down again, and it's worse than it was before. If I hadn't seen such riches, I could live with being poor. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down next to me. Sit down, 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 in sympathy. Those who feel a breath of sadness, sit down next to me. Those who feel they're touched by madness, sit down next to me. Those who find themselves ridiculous, sit down next to me. In love, in fear, in hate, in tears. 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 down, 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 in sympathy. Sit down, 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 next to me. Sit down, 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 in sympathy. I don't think everybody needs to be told to sit down. It's Sunday, everyone sat down. It's the last day. Okay, this is a song called The Circus, which is normally quite a big song, but it feels like I'm going to tone it down a bit.
We're going to try and do the album version, which, well, it actually sounds psychedelic, so it won't sound like that, but... Okay.
We did one love.
Yes. Until tomorrow, we can't all begin to find the way. You speak of sorrow, we're standing on the line to feel your pain.
We'll know tomorrow.
Maybe then we'll wish it all away.
We'll feel the sorrow.
If we know we played it all our way. Round in circles in this circus of intention, we fall down, bound in promises. I'm sensing the deception in this vast show.
We fall down, and all the pretty lights, they all conspire to eat your mind.
Hold on, hold on. There's no rehearsal, for we'll never have this time again. We're still so sweet.
Fall down.
This role reversal that has come with such a heavy price, a long way to fall.
We fall down.
It aches internally, the cost of always being nice. A price for us.
We fall down, and all the pretty lights, they all conspire to eat your mind.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Until tomorrow,
We can all begin to know the way.
you speak of sorrow.
Standing on the line to feel your pain.
We'll know tomorrow.
Maybe then we'll wish it all away.
We'll feel the sorrow.
We know we played it all our way. You know, you multiplied all the hunger you've done.
Is make me want to work hard.
Silence will make me shout even louder.
That's lost will only make me.
You know you multiplied all the hunger. You make me want to work harder. Make me shout even louder. Only make me hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Until tomorrow,
We can all begin to know the way.
you speak of sorrow.
Standing on the line to feel your pain.
We'll know tomorrow.
Maybe then we'll wish it all away.
We'll feel the sorrow.
We know we played it all our way. Until tomorrow, we can all begin to know the way. You speak of sorrow, standing on the line to feel your pain. We'll know tomorrow, maybe then we'll wish it all away. We'll feel the sorrow. We know we played it all our way.
Possibilities. Should we do that one?
Can we do 4 o'clock?
Yeah, that's mandolin.
Ah, cool.
We can. Do you want to do
No,
one?
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Oh, sorry.
What do you want me to do?
What did you say the first one? Possibilities.
Possibilities. Cool. We do write set lists, but we never stick to them. So there's just no point.
Yeah.
Well, last night's was written on a paper plate, so today is pretty classy. We've gone up in the world.
Thank you, Yvonne, that you're.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
this is a song called Possibilities. 2, 3, 4. You told me once that all our memories get sweeter by the day. She told me not to mix them up with what I'm wanting him to say. They told you once that all the bitterness and pain would slowly fade. Told you then to keep the faith, to stand alone, try to be brave. You fell down hard. You held on, you came back scarred. I'll never turn my back on you, my friend. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love, we could try it, we could win, we could fall, but we could fight. We would crash and we would burn, we would question it all. So we will fight and we will learn together, strong and standing tall. Hold our breath and see it's never gonna happen at all. I fell down hard. I held on, I came back scarred. You never turn your back on me, my friend. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love, but we'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love. You'll see the world and get it right and get it wrong. Find your luck and this might be where you belong. But for now I'll cherish this and celebrate all we are and all we're not and all our fates. When we fall down hard, we can come home, show our scars. Let's never turn our back on this, my friend. We'll know if it's never gonna be. We'll know love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love, not this time now, we cannot begin. We'll find out if it's real love, can learn to let it in with no doubt. Then we'll know that it's always gonna stay. We'll know love, because true love will always find a way for you, love. It's gonna go up. Nice one, thank you. Okay. Have you all had an amazing weekend? We don't want to go home. We want to stay. I know. We love it here. It's so cool. Okay.
Okay, this is a song called 4 O'Clock.
It's a passive-aggressive song. Do an X, it's fine.
They said they would be there at 4, and they weren't. And this is what they get.
We will cheer up afterwards, promise. I think we should put together later. 2, 3, 4. Took all those years for us to disappear. You made it clear. How can love be so forgiving?
back the chance of winning. Took my time, my precious time, the chance of new beginnings. Years gone by, still don't know which way to go, so tell me why. Hit the mess for sweet success and mending broken bones. How can life be so ensuing? Every intensive word suppressed when saying yes to you. How can love be so pursuing? Made the move to seal our fate, taking back the chance of winning. Took my time, my precious time, the chance of new beginnings. Years gone by, still don't know which way to go, so tell me why. I watched you fall in love, I watched you fall apart with me. How can time keep us from living? Always in the dark and always clutching to his heart, a vital part so often missing. Years gone by, still don't know which way to go, so tell me why. Years gone by, still don't know which way to go, so tell me why. You know me. Use that fact to pull her back and keep her low. She's capable, you know. No, hear me. It's now so obvious. Always you and never us. Please, I try. You show me the way to go. This is goodbye. You show me the way to go. This is goodbye. You show me the way to go. This is
Oh yeah, we should end with it, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gemmas?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're going to do a really old song of ours. I don't even know what this is called. We called it Gemma's song, so we wrote it for our friend Gemma.
What is it called? Yvonne? It's called.
Old song.
Why don't we know the name of our own song? This is bad. This is what Germany has done to us.
The beer. is
Yeah,
too
we've had too
strong
much fun. Here is a bunch of music that we don't know the name of.
here. We'll figure it out by the end.
Yeah, it will come back to us.
So that's cool.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are there any words left scared? They're all gone. Are there any words left scared? They're all gone. Showers of light fall down on me. Goodbye to the sky. Remember me. Speak now, you can hang all your words on me. And we I'm sorry for all that you said, don't forget to forgive. A small part of a story that we were both meant to relive. We bathe in dark. I find my feet. Hello, old ground. Feel my heartbeat. Speak now, you can hang all your words on me. For me, don't blame me or make me go weak at your knees. I'm sorry for all that you said, don't forget to forgive. A small part of a story that we were both meant to relive. Sour notes in the dark of my mind. Sour notes dark of my mind. Sour notes there, any dark scared, they're all mine. Sour notes there, any dark scared, they're all mine. Speak now, you can hang all your words on me. Me, don't blame me or make me go weak at your knees. 'Cause I'm sorry for all that you said, don't forget to forgive. A small part of a story that we were both meant to relive. Hold her, keep her there, help her not to cry. Keep her safe, keep her warm, teach her how to fly. Hold her, keep her there, help her not to cry. Keep her there, safe, keep any her warm, teach her how to fly. Hasn't got any better.
It makes me laugh every time you say it. I love it, but it's still really funny.
I have to work. Next year I have the perfect accent.
Yeah, it's the accent, like we haven't got the flow, so we're like robots speaking. Dankeschön! It doesn't sound natural. But it's better than nothing.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, true. I did German at school as well. I did very well at school, but where is it? It's left. But I did remember the name of the song. It's called Afraid of the Dark. So my brain held that. It just forgot the bits of Deutsch that I learned. Okay, this song is called All We Need. One down, yeah.
One, two, one, two,
You're twisting slowly, lost entirely, wonder at watching life unfolding simply all this time. It blinds us inside, we fight for smiles. Behind your pride forever, it doesn't know its boundaries together. We know love is all we need. Time stands still for us. There's not enough ways to show your you're good enough. There was a time that I looked into your eyes and innocence. It kept your smile so very wide. No reason share you care. I know the small is, but we'll let it grow. Time stands still for us. There's not enough ways to show you're good enough. You need to know you're not what you are going through. There'll be enough hands to hold, take control of you. You will know. You will know. I've seen you hiding, don't be frightened. Time stands still for us. There's not enough ways to show you're good enough. You need to know you're not what you are going through. There'll be enough hands to hold, take control of you. You will know. You will know. You will know. You will
And then Hannah Luck.
It feels like we're singing to you personally. It's romantic. Okay.
Normally we have our foot things, so we don't know what to do with our feet. But we're playing again at 5 at that stage. Is everyone coming for the what's it called?
Oh no, the shanty slam.
Yes.
Yeah, tonight.
Yes.
9 o'clock.
We didn't know that we were going, and then we got a text to say, be there.
Yeah, cool.
So we'll see you there. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Party time. Okay. This one's called Together Alone.
I feel your absence in the light. Only you can make it better. Wishing away these dusty days. Just know we're all in this together. Push through and see your worth. Find faith in all that's cursed. If you believe it, so will we. And you can live out all your dreams. Time, there's never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run, run faster than you think you can. Bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is find the chance you wish to see. It's the same for you and me. Say it when you feel it. Contemplate real bravery. Go and break your boundaries. Go and sail across that sea. Be on the move. So soon your time will come. Take that idea and go. behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have is find the chance you wish to see. It's the same for you and me. Say it when you feel it, contemplate your bravery. Go and break your boundaries, go and sail across that sea. Beyond yours, so soon your time will come. Take that idea and go run. Run. Time is never too much, time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have is together alone. We're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. We're all alone in this together. Together alone, we're all in this. Time is never too much, time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have is time is never too much, time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is time.
This song is called Count Our Luck, and yesterday we played this but we had the wrong capo, and so it started off high and it got higher and higher and higher until we were...
Your ears were...
Yeah, it was... And we didn't realise what we'd done, and so we kept thinking, why is this so difficult? So today, just as a treat, we're going to play the normal version.
Tried to move the mountain so I could touch the sun. I tried to win by counting points and asking everyone. I thought my mind was winning, and my mind thought that was true. When I thought the game was over, I was lost in thoughts of you. I buried any doubt deep down with wonder and with hope. I swallowed down the fear of hurting you until I choked. I tried to swim this ocean, and I tried to sail our sea, but the land was so much further than I needed it to be. You tried to find your patience by giving me your time, understanding how this fickle heart of mine can tell no lies. Count our luck and let go of this fear. Can't change the path that brought us up to here. We made our choice, we'll work through all this pain. Thoughts are final, nothing will remain. Go love with all that you can find, and use your heart to open up your mind. I tried to build an empire on foundations made of silk. It may not have stood the test of time, but I'm proud of what we built. Now go and ask more questions, go and chase your wildest dreams, and always be yourself in times when nothing's as it seems. Trying won't be wasted, and I know it's not the end. Trying isn't failing when we close the door as friends. Count our luck and let go of this fear. Can't change the path that brought us up to here. We made our choice, we'll work through all this pain. No thoughts are final, nothing nothing will remain. Go love with all that you can find, and use your heart to open up your mind. Let go of this fear. Can't change the path that brought us up to here. We made our choice, we'll walk through all this pain. No thoughts are final, nothing will remain. Go love with all that you can find, and use your heart to open up your mind. And I'll thank my lucky stars I had my time to hold you dear and know that you are mine.
Bravo!
Thank you so much for coming down to watch us today, and hope you have a lovely rest of your day. We're playing again when? 5. We've never written so many set lists.
No. We're very disorganised, and so having to be in one place and then lots of times throughout the day has been a real challenge for us, especially when there's so much beer. We know where all the bars are, we just don't know where we're playing. But it's at 5 o'clock and it's on the stage near... Thank you. This lady is now hired. Thanks. We're going to finish with this song, which is called Every Time, and it's the closest we have to a love song.
Not quite.
But it's very close.
And we do have CDs and things for sale from Johnny Wood, who's somewhere.
He's around with CDs.
Okay.
I can't say it out loud. I'm the luckiest girl in the world since you came back. I know, 'cause I pinch myself to see if it's real. It's real. I think we might be learning how to trust. I feel in time I don't want that much. I don't know where this is going, but I know whatever happens, our love will be gold. I'm willing to take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitten and bruised, but we always pursue. Every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. If I could make just a wish, I'd close my eyes and it would be this. I was never myself, I was never what I wanted to be. But this time will show us how. And this time, right now, I'm willing to take take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitten and bruised, but we always pursue. Every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. This time, feeling a change comes across time. It all seems to work like your heart. Everything's changing right this time. Our love's rearranging somehow. Time. It will be better, I know. This time. A change will help us to grow. Your heart. Left all the doubt far behind. This time. Ourselves we are learning to find. This time. I'm willing to take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitten and bruised, but we always pursue. Every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. This time.
Bravo!